Hello everyone, I have with me today an iPad Air unboxing for you. This video is to mainly show you how the experience of the unboxing is, and I'll talk a little bit about why I got the iPad over the competition. So first off, the box looks great and it has that classic minimalist design. The box comes shrink wrapped, that is super satisfying to peel off from this tab. It reveals the more appealing matte coating on the box and it feels quite premium. Apple are usually pretty good at making the box slowly slide out when you lift it up, giving you some suspense, but mine got stuck and it took a bit of wiggling to get it out. Opening the box, we get the iPad beautifully wrapped up. It was so satisfying to pull off the wrap. Just look at how beautiful this finish is. It feels cold and premium to the touch. We'll check out the setup later and I will mention the physical features. Behind the tablet, in the box, we have a sleeve that contains the quick setup guide and some information about the tablet. You can pause here if you would like to read it. Next, we have the power brick, which is a pretty cool mechanism on it. It's pretty fun to play with and keeps it compact. These prongs fold out and in. Lastly, we have the cable, which is a USB-C. I really like this because most of my other tech products are USB-C, so I only have to carry one cable with me. Maybe one day Apple will add this port to the iPhone lineup, but probably not anytime soon. Here's me just checking out the tablet, seeing what and where things are. We have the 3-pin connector for the third-party accessories, like the keyboard folio covers, a 12 megapixel back camera, USB port on the bottom, with speakers. The Apple Pencil would go here, where you can charge it. It would also magnetically connect, which is pretty convenient. Much better than the first gen Apple Pencil. Volume up and down. More speakers on the top, so when you have it in landscape mode, they come out from the left and the right, so it makes stereo speakers. And of course, the power button, which actually includes fingerprint ID, so you can unlock your tablet from the power button. I'll speed through this, but the things Apple asks you to set up are language, region, Wi-Fi, data and privacy, Touch ID, passcode, apps and data, Apple ID, Apple Pay, screen time, Siri and dictation, iPad analytics, True Tone display, appearance, and you're in. A little bit about why I chose the iPad Air. So while I was researching what tablet to get, it actually came down to the Samsung Tab F7 FE and the iPad Air 4. The Samsung won hands down on specs, and also came a bit cheaper while also including the S Pen. So why did I go and choose the iPad? Well, I went into store and played with both the models they had on display. I did some browsing and played with a few apps. I was amazed by Samsung DeX the most, to be honest. I did however notice that the iPad Air was more fun to use. I have an Android phone, so it was pretty new and exciting to me trying out a new interface. The Samsung tablet was basically the same as my Android phone with a larger screen. It was almost pointless to get this because whatever I'd be able to do on the tablet, I can already do on my phone. It's just giving me a larger display. Getting the iPad Air opened a whole new operating system for me with new features and apps to explore. Also, as someone who loves tech and likes to make videos on YouTube, I think it's important for me to have as much knowledge in all areas of tech as possible. So the iOS is pretty huge in this, and it's something that I should get familiar with. I'm happy with my choice of the iPad Air and I really enjoy using it. And I feel like I've made the right decision here. That's all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and I'll catch you in the next one.